Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove. Trade waves, Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and making fortune fast. Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves his groove. Trade with Tony, he's the man. Learn from him, you'll join the winning band. Making money worldwide, it's a blast. Trade with Tony and make it fortune fast.
Good morning, traders. I hope you are all having a good week so far. I know it's only Tuesday, but it's all about getting the green. Nothing much moving this morning, but versus systems, very weak catalyst if the truth be known. But versus systems seems to be the only thing that's moving at the moment. We had Rhodes then moved early doors, but not really no volume at the moment. So I guess we what we do is we sit and wait for the right setup. I mean, I did take a trade on. I took 2 trades on versus systems on the move up. One I got out just under break, a small loss, and then exactly what happened. So I got in here looking for making highs, added to the position as it bounced on the 9, and then it came back down. So I put it for a small loss. It moved up, came back to the 9 again, so I entered there, and it got out up at the top here. So yeah, that's versus system so far. Let's see what the rest of the market has for us. Lower price stock just popping up. I'll have a look at what the catalyst actually is, if there is one. So Seattle Mobile. Let's have a quick look. What are you doing here? Data? Anything? $45% up on the day. Okay, so Seattle Mobile makes strategic investment in Canadian towers and fibre optic, with a focus on Latin America. That's the news that's dropped an hour ago. So Seattle Mobile, that's currently at trying to hold on to $1, but that's a low price stock. Good morning, Stone Cold. Good morning, Alberto. Morning, dudes. And that's why you don't get married to these stocks, dude. They're literally garbage stocks. The majority of these stocks that we trade on a daily basis here on this channel are absolute garbage stocks. They're terrible, terrible companies. And that's why they're so volatile. The price action is so volatile. I mean, price per share, one day it has a good catalyst and it'll go up to $5, and 3 days later it's penny stock again, a literal penny stock again at like 70 cents. So don't hold back. When they have a good day, have the moment in the sun, take advantage, take your profit, walk away. If it moves again the following day, ride the momentum, take profit, walk away, and keep doing that. If it then starts to sell off, if you can, short it, whatever. Make money how you can, but don't hold on to it. These absolute garbage companies will reverse on you as quick as they pop. So just don't put them in your portfolio. Don't think of them as long-term investments. Either short-term gains or for short-term moves. There's the 8 o'clock scrum. All the algorithmic trades. Let's have a quick look at the market, shall we? Whilst the scrum is taking place. Oh, the S&P 500. I've got the S&P 500 down again today. It's had a couple of days of, well, yesterday Had three red days, 3 green days, not as excessive. Let's look at the 1 minute and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Moving down, gapping down slightly today, almost half a percentage point. But this is the daily. This is the daily chart. So we reached the all-time highs. We had 3 successive red candle days. We had 3 successive green candle days. We actually got higher highs the day before yesterday and had a red day. Yesterday, pretty much flat from open to close. So opened at 545.58, closed at 545.39. So it's a 20 cents, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, almost doji, if you will. So gapping down today. Hit this on the hourly chart. Not what I'm looking for. That's the wrong one. Look at it on the hourly chart. We're gapping down. Choppy sideways action yesterday after the sell-off on Friday. Choppy and sideways. Pretty much finished where it started yesterday. Very similar. So if you look at, like I say, 20 cents. It opened up here and finished up here. So pretty much flat on the day. We are gapping down today. So no significant catalysts are scheduled for today that could prompt it one way. So other than market momentum, probably will have a red day today. Morning, Hector. Sorry about that, buddy. I thought you might have been looking at something else. Thought you might want to put it into gold or forex. Morning, Ricky. How are you doing, brother? Not a lot moving. Great to see you had a big day yesterday, but it's vomiting right now. This went up to a high of $7.67 yesterday. Big move, but it's selling off today. A lot of cheap stocks are moving this morning, Ricky. Hey Neil, how you doing, buddy? And let's it's Ocean Power, and this is 30 cents, moving up. 37 cents at the moment, moving up. It was did get up earlier to a high of 39 cents. That would have been last night. But had a high after hours last night of 39 cents. Kind of pulled back a little bit. Now it's testing that again. That's a low price stock. We've got what else? Not sure, nothing. Have a look at ANVS. Orbis Bio. That look like that. Oh yeah, there you go. And Orbis Bio announces new data from phase 3 Parkinson's study highlighting improvements in Unified Parkinson's Disease Rating Scale. Cognitive after treatment with Puntaneta. Got $6. Not great volume just yet, but up to 16%. Spreads. Oh, 50-cent spread there. Nearly 50 cents on the spread. Be careful with so that's the liquidity gap there right now, guys. So just wait for some volume to come in. If the market likes this catalyst and the volume comes in, then those spreads will close off. Do not take a trade until those spreads close off. There you go. Spreads have narrowed substantially now. So they're at like 15, 20 cents. That's because the volume's starting to come in now. Oh. Just be careful. Nice catalyst doesn't always mean that the market's going to react favorably. Might be an initial spike and then you get the drop. So wait for the confirmation. Don't just jump in because you see something moving. Yeah, absolutely, Ricky. Nice catalyst, but let's see. Market's decided it doesn't like that catalyst. Going red on the day. Just goes to show the market can be irrational and stay irrational for longer than you and I can stay solvent. Hey Adam, how you doing, buddy? Not seeing much else moving right now. Got a couple of low price stocks as I mentioned, as have already been mentioned, not necessarily by me. So bubble more for Metaverse. I remember trading this when this one when NTS became a thing. Like it's trying to make a move back up, trying to kill back up, but went all the way up to a high of $1.18, pulled all the way back to the 9 EMA, bounced, and now retesting $1.10. What else have we got? Not a lot moving right now. Look at Nikola. Not great volume at all. Up slightly on the day. Wait. OPT still breaking highs. Well, penny stock now testing that $half area. Yeah, even that's not really doing much now. It's kind of consolidating sideways. Adam is versus systems. Oh, it's not even showing weakness enough to start it. It's not showing strength to long it, so it's just sideways at the moment. 220. But Ocean Power, OPTT, Ocean Power Technologies. OPTT is the ticker. I'm testing that $half level. Big move. %65 up on the day. We wait. Generate, tell you about, but not my cup of tea. There to see, trying to bounce on more volume. Right. So guys, how did you finish up yesterday? Yesterday I finished over gold, nice, and we're kind of back to where we were. For the consecutive red days. Maybe bounce off the 9 would be nice. Well, John, stop trading pre-market. Simple. Yeah, you get on. Wait till the bell. Lock your montage. Lock your trading ability until the bell rings, or at least until 9 o'clock. Pre-market trading's been terrible this last couple of months. It really has. The continuity is just not being there. Continuation. Yeah. Urgent Bio awarded $250 million in contract modification to supply the US government with 4 critical medical countermeasure products. So EBS moving up, just dropping news there, and well, in the last minute. Spreads are quite wide. Wait for the volume to come in. If don't trade the news. Trade the price action, wait for the volume to come in, then you'll get narrower spreads, and it will be a much safer trade. But EBS looks like it might go on a bit of a roll. $250 million in contract modifications from the HHS administration. Strategic Preparedness and Response. What figure? What's the HHS administration? To all you American military experts, HHS, enlighten me, please. Morning, Lisa. Closed at 709 yesterday. 708. Closed at 708 was yesterday's closing price. There you go. Health and Human Services. That makes sense. Still, I don't like the spreads at the moment. 50-cent spreads. Over 50 cents on the spreads, actually. That's better. 5 cents. Much better. No. Back to 50. Yeah, so don't like that. Volume really as well. Volume's not great. If the volume comes in, we'll see. Might be one to watch after the bell, that one. Volcom. No volume on it at all. Well enough yesterday though. Two nice pops yesterday. Didn't have any news. Back over to VWAP. No. Okay. Have any news yesterday either. Okay. That's okay, Ricky. Now that the news has had time to permeate, maybe we'll get a bit of volume coming in on emerging. And then a bit of support there at 7:30. Although can't be right. But got a bid of 695. Way down here. Right. Great volume yet. We'll just wait. I think that was it. Was that not an earnings day there? So it went from 193 and had a big day. It opened at 296, so it was almost 100% up on the open. So let me just have a quick look from May. What was that? May the 2nd. Have a quick look at the news why that happened. Roll 7. Not got any there. Not seeing anything from May the 2nd caused that big spike. And last earnings was on 28th of March, so Friday. Wasn't the stock split, but gap up. But I don't know what the price action was like in May. Like going back on the charts. No, it gapped up on earnings. Q1 results. That was May 2nd. I'll make a couple of updates. I need happening to Bardo. So, third person's access to 10.5 and electricity chosen not to apply to include something else, Centers for Medicare, Medicaid services, 10 state, obviously, effective payment system, transitional drug add-on payment. My goodness, that's got to be one of the most messy sentences I've ever read in my life. It doesn't even make sense. So they're choosing not to file for support assistance. Might be worth a shot. Have more volume. Same story, different stock. No, well, nice move. Could be worth a trade if it had more volume. Yeah. Well, I wouldn't say that devil horns as such, but it's certainly a double top. Devil horns is 2 big wicks, but it's breaking highs. So PTT testing 50 cents, the $0.50, so it's 49 and change. Qualcomm could be one move up. Nice. 9 cents. 13 cents. Yeah, not worth it right now. So will PTT breaking that $0.50 level? Is Versus Systems going to turn around now? That's another good question. Very head and shoulders here on the 5-minute. Shoulder, head, shoulder. A little bit wary of this. If it tests the VWAP again on the 5 minutes, I think it breaks. A lot of movement, just not on good volume. So we sit and wait. Still, be patient, be disciplined. The more disciplined you are, the better results you'll get. Trust me on that one, I know from personal experience both ways. Well, good luck with that one, Ricky. Oh, Alberto, sorry. Volcom, why is it still moving? Continuation, I guess. I don't even know what the original catalyst for Volcom was. I think it's 4th last I looked. Yeah, 300,000 in the float on Volcom. Doesn't even be on the NASDAQ in reality. Keeping up. Did that, Ricky? Did that? I think there was some NASDAQ compliance issues last week. Managed to try to address, but yeah, it's like 300,000. I thought the minimum to stay listed on the NASDAQ was 500,000 share float. They could do a 2-to-1 stock split, and they'd have they'd be back in compliance. They'd have a 6,000 float, and they'd be still above that minimum $1 compliance listing as well. Yeah, perhaps they should have only done a 50-to-1, Ricky. June 11, Volcom got a notice from NASDAQ staff that the company no longer meets the 500,000 public held shares requirement. That's what I was saying. And that in itself is a basis for delisting companies. So they did a 100-to-1 reverse stock split to gain compliance, but didn't take into account that the minimum requirement is 500,000 shares, publicly held stock. So only going to have to do a stock split, remain compliant. Nice. Break of the $0.50, the move up, the pull back, and the re-break of the $0.50 would have been a nice entry there. Break new highs. It's choppy. At the best. Let's have a look at Rivian. They're just announcing bills. Production and delivery totals for Rivian. That's a pop. Rivian announced Q2 production and delivery totals for this year. They produced 9,612 vehicles, delivered 13,790 vehicles, and reaffirmed their 2024 annual production guidance of 57,000 vehicles. We're going to release Q2 financial results on August the 6th. After hours. So that's a question for Rivian. Going to pop and drop. I mean, there's a huge gap built to the downside. Volkswagen does like them. If you recall, they put some significant amount of money into them announced it on the 26th of last month. Amazon breaking highs. That's the spread there, 10-cent spread, so 4 cents now, but Nike looks like it's trying to bounce back as well. What was that? Rivian on watch. And a light. Potentially if it gets over the $half. Well, there you go, Adam. Almost moving without any kind of volume. Rivian will get volume after the bell. Well, most stocks will get volume after the bell, but Rivian will get volume after the bell, and that's when it might go after that, after posting those results. Nice little like setup on Vulcan. Like I say, it's not got the volume. I did, Ricky. I did, but it wasn't so much the meme. It was the fact that he's taken a 6% stake in them, Ricky. So I got a couple of $100 on the way up, and then I shorted it on the way down. So yeah, Chewy did pretty much $800 out of Chewy yesterday. Oh, there's another headline for Rivian. From Volkswagen partnership to trimming costs and introducing cheaper EVs, Rivian steps on the pedal to touch profitability. Oh, no surprise, micro oil goes down, Adam. I mean, it was up astronomical amounts and just kept going up. Oh, coming back down again. It's that's physics, isn't it? What goes up must come down. Now, I'm a third of the way to getting funded. Stands right now. I got burned on micro algo a couple of times. Unpredictable. It doesn't like to behave in any kind of predictable way. But what it is. At 8:41. So we've got less than 50 minutes before the market opens. What are you guys watching? Anything? Rivian popped up with the have a look at micro algo right now, just for your sake, Adam. There's just not much else. Yeah, there's no volume on it either, so it's going quite heavy. Far cry from its high of $25, $25.50. Last week, Wednesday, Thursday, something like that. So Adam, I mean, why would you choose $8 as a potential support level? I mean, prior to the big move in June, micro algo was like kind of steady at around $2.50, between $2 and $3. It did find a little bit of support around $4, but $8 seemed a bit strange. Can't see any clear support areas there. I would say maybe 10.50, 10.75 seems support level. Maybe 10.50, $10, something like that. But 8, I think it breaks 8. It's going back down to $5. I'll take a look at that for you, James. Hawaiian Electric. Not looked at this for quite some time, not since the fires at the beginning of the year. So Hawaiian Electric's just going from, I had a bad day yesterday. It's just going worse and worse. Ever since May, it's been on a downwards trend. If you look at this from a daily perspective, so since May, 17th of May was this swing high, and it's just been vomiting, literally selling off. And yesterday I had a significant bad day. Hawaiian Electric, this was like a $40 stock last year. get a bounce today? Let's have a look at it on hourly time frame. I don't think so. Kind of bounce the close, gapping down again. Doesn't show much strength there. So, is it going to sell off like it did yesterday? Well, that's a wrong move to the downside. Is there a catalyst for that from yesterday? Hawaiian Electric. Why did it move so badly yesterday? Right, okay, so yesterday there was news that an ATF report on the wildfires that we were talking about just a couple of seconds ago has been completed, and that's why it dropped. Okay? That's why it dropped so heavily yesterday. So I don't see any way back for Hawaiian Electric without some kind of good news catalyst. I think it probably will sell again today. A nice one to short yesterday, actually, if it happens. Dollar move to the downside. Yeah, but it rebounding well and until that report gets published and completed, but once it gets published and they're probably expecting bad news, never know that it might get might end up really in the mire and having to be acquired by another company to bail them out. All group holdings. Up and drop. No volume. Earnings. This is EPS revenue. So why it popped up in the first place, I don't know. Figure. No volume. Well, Dad, just stop trading. Stop taking bad trades, and then you might be okay. Hey, Alistair. No, I'm good, buddy. Doing okay, mate. Been a hot day today. Got the little girl in school. Well, say school, preschool. So she starts in August. Did that this afternoon. All hits you in the pocket. Yeah, it closes at 1 p.m. tomorrow, Ricky. So, we've got no trading on Thursday because it's July the 4th. Half day tomorrow and then regular full day on Friday. So, knowing that there'll be a hangover from July the 4th on Friday, today's really the last full day of trading this week. You're going to get good movement. half day tomorrow, day off on Thursday, and then back at it on Friday. And don't forget, right now, 40% off Day Trade with Tony. If you want to take the course, get into the Discord, the private Discord. Me as a mentor, 40% off. Use the Independence as your sticker, as your discount coupon. All capitals, Independence. Independence Day sale. This week only. That coupon expires on Sunday, so get it while you can. And while you can, smash the thumbs up button. Oh, Rivian might get a little bit of continuation, but that might be a little later in the day, or not doing anything. Analytics down. Gold send. Kind of pulling back now. Versus systems just sideways around 220, give or take. Volcon up at 581. It's probably the only one that is, and it doesn't have a catalyst. I can. Well, that's the idea, Alistair. That's the whole point of taking the funded account challenge, is to get funded on it. Will I stay? Will I stay with them? Probably not. But it's helping me with my trader rehab after having a couple of difficult months. It's forcing me to be more disciplined. And I'm not having the big swings on my money. I've still got money in both my interactive and CMEG accounts. Although if I do go back to using DAS, I probably will ditch CMEG. I received new terms and conditions with CMEG last week. I'm not finding very favourable. That's how much you can withdraw on a daily basis, and I'm like, nah, that won't suit. I'll have a word with them. If I go back to the trading DAS, I'll speak with them first and be like, nah, I can't do that. They'll look at my account and they'll either do something for it or they will lose it a customer. Hey Vegas, how you doing? anything really of interest right now, so tell me. I'm gonna get rid of some of these crappy low volume stocks. Not got a million shares traded, I don't want to know. My scanner's over it. That reduces the pool quite significantly. So just 500,000 shares is now the minimum. Like I'm tired of looking at these crap up and drop. Different leverage, not so much leverage. They give you buying power. They give you buying, depending on what account it is. They give you buying power, and after and they increase it as well. If you keep overachieving on your profitability, they will increase your buying power and in your daily drawdown limit. So, like, okay, well that could be interesting. Bolt-on breaking out. $0.10 spreads. Careful, the current high today is what's that? 607. And a double topping up there on the 5 minute. As new high. Entry. Pull back to the high. And the distance. Maybe it could have got back in there on this pullback. What was resistance becomes support. I missed my entry there, I'll wait. Bolt-on breaking out, looking quite strong. Rivian looks like it's curling up now. That one as well. $0.10 spreads on Rivian as well. It looks like a day for the EV manufacturers. Quite a few of them. That was moving up earlier. Mullen just dropped some news. Tesla breaking highs. Oh yeah, looks like EV space is quite buoyant today. Look at that, Tesla breaking highs up there. Tesla's had a good couple of weeks actually. If you can't afford to trade Tesla up at 214, there's lots of Tesla-based ETFs. Alright, so TSLT, which is 2x long Tesla daily. T-Rex, 2x long Tesla daily. Got the direction daily, which is SLL. $10 will move with Tesla. Get twice the move, but a fraction of the price. If you don't want to trade Tesla, the ETFs you can trade them. Keep your Tesla chart open. Can be quite a micro lag on ETF movement to the Tesla movement, but in most cases it's very similar or even the same. The momentum's with all the Tesla and Tesla derivatives right now. So feel free to check them out. Not stock picks, not signals, not anything. Just me just commenting on the market. And guys, it's 9:05. Can we get that like count up? Let's get that like count up. Hit that thumbs up button. Yeah, Dave, it's up, but it's up without any volume. Light bridge, no volume on it. That's the system pulling back. Got into break of 11 on this. Tesla's up quite a bit today, 5.5% on Tesla. all the momentum. Tesla, derivatives. Qualcomm pulling back a little bit, and it holds $6. Let's have a quick look. Come back to Tesla and the derivatives. Qualcomm, and it holds the whole $1.06. Well, there you go, Dave. That's why. Yeah. Reported Q2 production and delivery figures. Model 3 wide production, 386,500, deliveries 422,500. Yeah. Does it continue after the bell? That's the question. Yeah, production and delivery numbers released there, Adam. Tesla, really. This pull back at all, doesn't it? Get any nice pullback to chance to get in. Expensive, so I don't like trading derivatives, but tempted. Very good on the derivatives. Only have a 12k buying power pre-market. I'll take a look at that one for you, John. New medical. Awesome. Looking at the daily, all I'm seeing is red candles. Have a good pre-market a couple of days ago, last week. Went up to a high of 511. Oh, I'm seeing red candles. It's gapping up pre-market, selling off in the regular session. All I'm seeing. I feel like I've got rain pouring into the pool. I'll have to look at that. Covered. Yeah, John, I think you might be right. Mid and large caps might be where it's at today. It's been very difficult trading low caps for the last couple of months, I would say. You shorted it, Adam? Salted Tesla on that news. Why? Okay. Yeah, so Rivian, Tesla, so many. Follow up today. Alright, okay, well, I hope it stopped you away before today. I'm not seeing anything, guys. Not right now. I mean, let me know if there's a ticker that you want me to take a look at. If there's a stock you want me to take a look at. They might be one for the EVs. You got the pullback to 9. That would have been a good entry there if you've been watching it. 9.20, 10.25, break of a $0.25. 11.25 on the on this one. Versus Systems trying to curl back up. I'm not impressed. Hanging around that 220 line, quite area for a while. TSLT, TSLL, or short TSLZ. I'll wait until after the bell, I think. This rate. Unless we get a news drop. I don't trust the pre-market action on Tesla. But after the bell, when the volume comes in, I'll wait to see it. Using that orb strategy, 15-minute orb strategy on Tesla is a good one. And the markets overall, you know, that 15-minute opening range, and then look for a breakout of that. And that you can use that on the Tesla derivatives, use it on the Nvidia derivatives. It just makes those large cap stocks very easy to trade with a smaller balance, and you get bigger moves. Percentage wise. The reason I'll wait for the bell is on something like this, I'll be able to take a decent sized position as opposed to the 1,000 shares maximum. Might start pulling back a bit now, Tesla. Ricky, try NVDL. Well, that's a leveraged NVIDIA, so NVDL. So Granite shares 1.5 times long NVIDIA daily. So it's NVDL, one of the NVIDIA. Yes. Where did I make my scanner? Benzinga. Prosperity. Benzinga. You can actually get Benzinga at a discount as well. It's not going to cost you $200 a month with Benzinga, and they're better than Warrior. I would say, I don't know. I've not seen Warrior Trader scanners, but yeah. Yeah, there's a few, Ricky. There's a few. But with NVDL, it's only half the price of the actual NVIDIA shares, so as well, nice leverage. So that's the advantage of going with that. Back up at that 35 to 36 level. Got rejected previously on that head and shoulders move. It did. I mean, it came all the way down to under 210, and then made its move back up. So, a 5-minute head and shoulders. Pull back. $4 break there would have been nice. It might be one to watch at the open. Possible gap and go. I'm watching Rivian, I'm watching Tesla. Tesla could be a long bet today. Watching Versus. Volcan, I think that's probably spent. Okay. MVS is on green again. Now we've got 5 minutes before the market opens. Not been a, to be fair, it's been a bit tepid pre-market. There hasn't been a lot of good opportunities pre-market today. Yeah, the setups have been few and far between. Volume has been a problem, and continuation. So bring on the open. Don't take a trade unless it's setting up right for you. A lot of EV news today. I think I'm going to take a quick bio break before the open, and then we'll what the market has to give us today. Scanners, got a minute left. Yeah, Prosperity, if you like the scanners, go check them out for free. Just by registering with you don't need a credit card or anything like that. Benzinga, go to my link tree that you can find in my profile, my bio, or whatever you want to call it, and check out the scanners for free. You get to play around with them for 14 days. If you need any help setting them up, I've got a whole full tutorial on my YouTube page of how I set up my Benzinga scanners, yeah, check them out for free for 14 days. If you like it, use my discount code. Save you a lot of money from the scanners you're getting from Ross. Oh, good luck, guys. There's the open. There's the market open. Rivian. That's Flipper moving one way or the other. Nothing taking its mind of which way it's going. First popped and then pull back. Volcon breaking lows. Versus not decided which way it wants to go yet. Same with Volcon. Rivian pulling back quite heavily. Nike just vomited. S&P 500 trying to move up, testing 544 now on the SPY. Tesla popped up, pulling back, and a lot of that. Probably, sometimes it's just best to sit out the first 5 minutes and see what way market's taking things. Yeah, absolutely, dude. That's what I'm saying. And sometimes the volatility of the open can, when you've got a nice stock with a good catalyst and it's behaving well pre-market, then I don't mind holding that and trading it at for potential gap and go or something at the open. But right now, everything's selling off. And you get, because of the influx of volume, you get big moves. candles. Thanks, sweetie. Something. Everybody say hello to Marley. Wave for that blue light. Yeah, we'll go. Okay. Let's say hello to Edie, I'm just busy right now. I can't play, okay? Oh, Ricky, Rivian didn't bounce off yesterday's close. He dropped some numbers. Too high. I'm gonna get it. A double top, double horns. Don't like it. Taking the profit. High. Oh, did this yesterday. Anybody see anything nice? Not a lot pulling back. Alcon selling off. Tesla sideways. Oh, yeah, reached. Oh, looks of it. Bounce on the 9. break that new high. New high of the day. Well, back up to where we were. And a little bit precise. Rivian, Roads End. Had a big move pre-market. Then running it. Now it's breaking. Oh. At the pre-market, it's at the highs that we had morning, 4 o'clock, kind of 290s. It's over $3, I might be interested. Got clear resistance there on the daily, on the hourly at $3. I want it to Roads then over $3, and then it could be worthwhile doing. Okay, so it's got a triple top here now on Rivian at 1456. Tesla breaking highs. No. Almost at that pre-market high as well. Kind of like that Rivian flat top. So it broke $3 just as I switched it off. Rivian braking highs as well. Finally, whenever I've switched something on, whatever I've switched it off from, is what breaks out. So watch yen, gold zen. Back over $3 RD's the yen. Base hits. Hey Mike, how you doing, buddy? I'm over goal. That's my goal for the day. I'm already over it. I'm using my keyboard and my mouse, Dan. Tesla is working its way up nicely. Back right now, but Rivian as it versus AMC breaking highs. That breaking highs. How do I calculate my risk per trade? It's mental arithmetic, Dan. So I look at what, so if I'm risking 10 cents and I look at, let's say, I take 2,500 shares, I'm risking 250 bucks, 10 cents, etc. If I take 1,000 shares and I risk 20 cents, I'm risking, 200 bucks. So that's how I would do it. Mental arithmetic, and it's easy to do. Abacus, absolutely. Nothing happening today, Fred. Well, I don't know about that. Tesla's having a decent day. AMC breaking highs. Got quite a few movers actually. I wouldn't say that it's a really volatile day. The market moved up, reached 545 on the SPY, 545.67. Pull back to the VWAP, seems to be bouncing right now. Tesla, coming back to the 9. Maybe get a bounce here at the 9 on Tesla. Rhodes then still breaking highs. Let's go back to Rhodes then. Well, I'm over gold, so I think I'm going to lock it up at the top of the hour, as I usually do. Remember, if you want to learn to trade like with day takes with Tony, get access to the private Discord, get access to all of my reading material, get access to me as a mentor, 40% off this week alone, using the ticket Independence, an Independence Day discount, Independence Day sale. And of course, there's no trade. It's a half-day trading tomorrow. No trading won't affect me, but I'll be in bed by the time the market finishes tomorrow. And there's no trading on Thursday, July the 4th, and then regular session on Friday. So. I'm going to knock it on the head, guys. I'm over gold, and I'm now starting to adhere to my own mantra: get green, stay green, get to goal, and get out. So that's what I'm doing today. And I encourage you all to do exactly that, guys. So whenever you're over goal, walk away. It's that easy. Okay, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Same place, same time. Only half-day trading tomorrow. So same place, same time. 7 o'clock for the scanners. 8 o'clock for me. And we'll do it all over again. Take it easy, guys.
Living the life, living large, Tony's in charge. He's got the knowledge, the skills, and the art. Streaming live, stock trading all day, helping people learn and make money their own way. From Wall Street to Tokyo, Tony's got the flow. Teaching the game, ain't nothing to show. He's got the charts, the trends, and the moves. Making profit, making moves, his groove.